Cybersecurity is booming right now. With threats on the rise, the need for defenders is massive.
So let's just jump right in with a big number. Yep, that's the average salary for a cybersecurity pro. Demand is through the roof. But how do you actually break into a high-paying field like this? See, companies don't just want a degree. They need people with real hands-on experience using actual tools.
And that's exactly where Futurism Xpro comes in. Their new program is designed to bridge that gap.
It's a really focused 6-month path, 3 months of intense training, then 3 months of hands-on internship. And get this, it's open to any graduate. You don't even need to know how to code.
The whole point here is doing, not just learning. You're in a real security operations center lab.
You'll be using key tools like SIEM. Think of it as the central nervous system for a security team. And we're talking the real deal, industry standard tools like IBM QRadar and Microsoft Sentinel that top companies use. So you'll learn exactly how threats are detected and handled. You'll be ready from day one on the job. When you're done, you get a formal certification. This proves to employers you've got the practical skills. This certification opens up so many doors for you. We're talking some seriously high-demand career paths here. And they don't just leave you hanging. You get full career support, like mock interviews to land the job. So think about it. In just 6 months, you can totally transform your career and your earning potential. It really is a fast track. You go from the fundamentals all the way to launching your brand new career. So the only question left is, are you ready to step up and build the future of digital defense?